Have you ever imagined a future where robots don't just help humans, but actually become tools for killing? It sounds like science fiction, something straight out of Terminator or Black Mirror. But this is no longer just a movie plot. This is a serious prediction from global security experts. And the most chilling part is the timeline. The year is 2035. That's not far away at all. According to a recent report from Europol, the European law enforcement agency, the world is moving toward a dangerous new era. An era where robots, drones, and autonomous systems powered by artificial intelligence could be used for serious crimes, including murder. Not because robots suddenly turn evil, but because humans choose to use them for violent purposes. Look at where we are today. Drones can already fly on their own, recognize faces, avoid obstacles, and carry payloads. Humanoid robots can walk, talk, lift heavy objects, and interact naturally with people. AI systems can make decisions based on real-time data. All of this sounds impressive, but at the same time, it opens the door to entirely new forms of crime. Europol warns that by 2035, criminal networks and terrorist groups could use autonomous drones and robots as weapons. Drones could be modified to carry dangerous materials, conduct surveillance, or strike targets without a human ever being physically present. That means the person behind the attack could be thousands of miles away, while a machine carries out the act in the real world. What makes this even more terrifying is the risk of hacking. Robots designed to help the elderly, assist patients in hospitals, or work alongside humans in factories could be taken over remotely. Once their systems are compromised, these machines are no longer helpers. They become threats. Humanoid robots are especially concerning. Because they look and behave like humans, they can get extremely close to people in everyday life. If such a robot is hacked or manipulated, it could be incredibly difficult to determine whether a harmful action was caused by a technical failure or a deliberate criminal attack. This creates a massive challenge for future investigations. Law enforcement in 2035 will face a completely different reality. Police won't just be chasing human suspects. They'll be dealing with machines, algorithms, cyber attacks, and autonomous decision-making systems. Even determining whether an incident was an accident, a system malfunction, or a coordinated attack could become incredibly complex. The most alarming part is that this technology won't be exclusive to governments or military forces. As technology advances, it becomes cheaper, easier to modify, and more widely available. That's why Europol describes this threat as realistic and inevitable, not hypothetical. The year 2035 is considered a critical point because AI and robotics are expected to become far more independent by then. These systems won't just follow simple commands. They'll be able to adapt, learn from their environment, and make decisions on their own. In the wrong hands, that level of autonomy could be deadly. This doesn't mean robots will suddenly hate humans. Technology itself is neutral. The danger comes from how humans choose to use it. A knife can be used to cook food or to harm someone. The difference is that AI and robots operate faster, with greater precision, and without fear, emotion, or hesitation. Europol stresses that the world needs to prepare now. Regulations, security systems, and oversight must evolve at the same pace as technological innovation. If they don't, humanity risks falling behind while powerful machines are exploited for crimes we are not yet ready to face. So the next time you see a robot vacuum cleaning your floor, a drone delivering a package, or an AI assistant answering questions, remember this. Behind the convenience lies a serious risk if these technologies are misused. The future isn't just about living alongside machines. It's about controlling them and protecting ourselves from their dark potential. The era of killer robots won't arrive because machines turn against humanity, but because humans fail to control the technology they created. And 2035 is not just a number, it's a warning. If you're interested in future technology, the dark side of AI, and how the world may change in the coming years, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Because we'll continue exploring technologies that look impressive on the surface, but hide serious threats beneath.